Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys where you can get free arbitrage signals. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any more important information I might share across the video. So guys, you know this platform is called the CryptoRank. You can get the app from either the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, depending on the device that you're using, or you can visit their website through your computer or devices through any online website like your Chrome. Now from this area, you'll be seeing various insights and tools you can use to identify your crypto peers. This app is actually very similar to another arbitrage app that I have shared in my YouTube channel, which is the CoinMarketCap app. So in case you don't know or you are just coming across my video for the first time, there's a lot of opportunities on how you can make money online on the Bybit app. Whenever I found those opportunities, I always drop them on my YouTube channel. So if my videos are helpful, you can subscribe to my channel so you can get updated whenever I drop my videos. So smash on the like button if you find my videos helpful. But this is actually a different platform. This one is called the CryptoRank.io. So if you keep on scrolling down, you'll be able to see different cryptos with a lot of insights and information about them. So guys, for today we're going to be looking out for arbitrage opportunities with different prices of cryptocurrencies. So guys, if you are looking out for free crypto signals, all you have to do is select a particular crypto that you are looking for signals from. If you can't find the crypto on this area, you can easily come over to the search bar over here and then you can click on it and then type the crypto you are looking for. And then let's say, for example, you want to search for different prices for either the Ethereum pair or let's say the BTC pair. All you have to do is to click right here over here on the BTC pair right here if you are to be looking for different prices of the BTC pair, and then you'll be brought to this section right here. So over here at this section, you can see the arbitrage spot over here. It is very visible and easy to locate. Currently, arbitrage is a topic that is done by so many people. A lot of people are doing research regarding arbitrage. A lot of traders use this opportunity to make profits by buying low and selling them profitably in other platforms. And I'm sure definitely you will want to be part of them. So you come over here to this spot and then you click on arbitrage. I want you guys to take note that one thing about this platform is that they actually give out free arbitrage signals, but some of their signals you have to pay before you can be able to get them. But with the free plan, you can get whatsoever insight and tools you need. You can use the free plan to do whatever it is you want. I'll be showing you how. So if you should scroll down, you'll be seeing the various informations regarding the Bitcoin pair. So guys, here on Bitcoin chart, you'll be able to see the current price of BTC at the Binance, at the KuCoin, at the Gate.io, at the Bybit, at the OKX, at the Bitcoin, at the BitGet platforms. You'll be able to see the different prices of the BTC of the Bitcoin at various platforms. Now you could compare the prices of the Bitcoin at the different platforms or exchanges. At the Binance platform, it is at a rate of $78,000.2. At the KuCoin, it's at a rate of 78,300. At the Gate.io, it's at a rate of 78,394. At the Bybit, it's at a rate of 78,394. There are a lot of more that you can even check out, but let's go straight to business. So what you can do is that you can compare which of these exchanges are selling them at the most cheapest price and which of these exchanges are selling them at the most expensive price. So guys, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see some chart ratings over here. I'm still going to explain all this. Just follow me through the video so you don't miss out on anything. So guys, with this information that I've been given, let's try to find where the Bitcoin is sold at the cheapest rates and compare to see. So guys, it is sold at the Binance platform at a rate of 78,297, and at the Whitebit platform it is sold at a rate of 78,299 per USDT. So guys, if you have a registered account with either of these platforms, you can get your Bitcoin from this platform and then transfer it to another platform. Let's be finding out which platform you can transfer it to sell it for profits. So if you should be looking for the platform at the exchange at which you are selling it at the most highest rates or the most expensive rates. Currently, the HTX platform, they are selling it at the rate of 78,320 per USDT. They are selling Bitcoin there for a rate of that. And also at the crypto.com, they are selling Bitcoin at the rate of $78,456 per USDT per Bitcoin. So these two platforms are the most expensive at the exchanges where you can be selling them at the most expensive prices. So now guys, before you dive into this process, I'm not telling you guys to rush into things. You have to do your calculations and do a thorough check very well before you dive into this. You need to calculate the fees involved in this process. You have to know the fees involved when buying Bitcoin and selling Bitcoin. Also, when you are transferring it from one platform or from one exchange to another. So guys, if you've done your research and you find out that the the fees involved won't be eating inside your capital, and you find out that the process will be profitable for you. You do a thorough check on the coin to see if it is stable, and then also the receiving and sending networks are okay and the fees are not too much or not too high involved. Then you can make your decision whether you want to indulge in a crypto arbitrage process with the Bitcoin at those exchanges or not. So guys, you can still come back here, and then you can also search for other cryptocurrencies that you would probably want to indulge in arbitrage with if you want to find more insights on other cryptocurrencies apart from the Bitcoin. You can check through these currencies over here. You can be scrolling down, you can find different cryptocurrencies at which you can find great insights to use and perform arbitrage with. So guys, let's check out the BNB coin to see the insights on the BNB. So guys, if you come to the arbitrage section of the BNB coin, you'll be able to see exchanges at which you can get the BNB coin from at cheap rates and at more expensive rates. Currently, you can see the current price of BNB at the Binance is at the rate of 770.11, and this is actually cheap compared to the price at which it is on other platform. BNB to USDT is what I'm talking about. The BNB to USDT is actually more cheaper on Binance than any other of these platforms, and then it is more expensive at the Git.io platform than most of the other platforms currently, and these two platforms are very trusted. I want you guys to also know that once you are looking for exchanges that you can use to indulge in this process, you should make sure that these exchanges that you are looking for are valid and very trusted. The Git.io exchange and the Git.io and the Binance exchange are two very trusted and popular platforms. So this is why I'm talking about the both of them very well. So you can see the current price for the BNB at the Binance is at the rate of 770.09, and then at the Gate.io is at the rate of 769.86 USDT. So guys, all these readings that are over here, if you scroll down, are actually the spread differences. Like, they are the difference in the prices from this platform. They are the difference in spread prices between these exchanges currently. You might not really understand what all these readings are, and they are not actually necessary for you to even understand. You don't need to stress yourself with this. All you have to do is to come over here and then compare the prices of whatsoever cryptocurrency it is you want to indulge in, and then make sure you do your thorough research, do your thorough check too on the crypto pair and the fees involved and every other thing. I want you guys to be cautious. It's not necessary for you guys to upgrade your CryptoRank account immediately. I'll advise you to first of all make profits from your arbitrage, and then once you find out that you're really making profits from your arbitrage and you find out that the CryptoRank is a tool that gives you the right insights on various cryptocurrencies, then I'll now advise you guys to upgrade payment or upgrade your accounts to premium accounts. So guys, make sure you do your research and check out for cryptos that have lesser fees. All the things I teach here are for educational purposes only, so nothing I say or do in this video should be taken or considered as financial advice, please. So guys, I want to give you examples of some current pairs that you should take note of. So you should know that the Ethereum pair has very high fees involved if you are to indulge in a arbitrage process with them. So you might not really enjoy for the Ethereum, but the BNB pair is a pair with very low fees involved in it. So you can do your research on it and also check out for more crypto pairs that you can indulge for. So guys, aside the arbitrage insights, there's also many other things you can do on the CryptoRank platform to further assist yourself. If you come over here to the coin section, you can be seeing the trending cryptos, the recently listed, all categories, a lot of so much other ones. All these insights are very useful for crypto users that already know their way around crypto. You can practically use these insights to know a lot about crypto coins that are going to go up or down. You can use this tool to do your research on crypto pairs and a whole lot more. I'm going to be talking a whole lot about this in my next video, so make sure you don't miss out on that. If in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. In case you find the video helpful, you can smash up on the like button and also subscribe, and you can share to your friends so they could get updated on stuff like this. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, guys. I'll see you on my next video.